Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In today's meditation, we'll be exploring the concept of Metta, a Pali word meaning loving kindness. We'll be directing this practice of loving kindness towards ourselves. Begin by finding a comfortable position. As you inhale, gently allow your spine to lengthen. As you exhale, let your shoulders soften and settle. Gently close your eyes if that's comfortable for you. And take a moment to soften your forehead, your temples. Let go of any tension in your face, especially around your lips and jaw. Settle into your seat, allowing your body and mind to relax. And now, direct your attention to your breath. Notice your inhales and your exhales. Without forcing, let your inhalations become slightly longer, allowing your ribs and lungs to expand. And lengthen your exhalations, allowing your ribs and lungs to soften. Very simply, continue to follow your breath as it moves in and out of your body. If you become distracted, simply return to your breath without judgment. And now, we'll begin the practice of Metta. The Pali word Metta translates as loving kindness. The practice of Metta allows us to develop an open heart and a sense of tenderness and friendliness towards ourselves first, so that we may then extend it outward into the world. This practice isn't meant to be complicated. We simply recite some loving kindness phrases, so we'll begin together now. Silently repeat the following words, letting them ring deeply in your entire body. May I be happy. May I be well. May I be safe. May I be at peace. Take a moment to notice how these words feel. May I be happy. May I be well. May I be safe. May I be at peace. It is often said that to truly love and care for others, we need to be able to love and care for ourselves. And though it might feel easier to extend loving kindness to others than to ourselves, in the long run, this can leave us depleted. To avoid exhaustion, we must learn to be gentle and loving towards ourselves as well. So even though it may feel odd at first, see if you can lean into it and find a little more kindness as you direct these words again towards your own self. May I be happy. May I be well. May I be safe. May I be at peace. Take a moment once again to see how loving kindness lands in your body. Now let's repeat the phrases once more, slowing them down and savoring each word. May I be happy. May I be well. May I be safe. May I be at peace. Give yourself permission to rest for a moment in this kind, gentle feeling you've created. The practice of metta is not about self-indulgence. It is about approaching ourselves with unconditional friendliness, love, and self-acceptance. As we learn to see ourselves in a more tender light, we also begin to experience the world around us with more ease. We build the capacity to love ourselves just as we are. With practice, that same sense of loving kindness begins to naturally flow towards our loved ones, our communities, and the world around us. So when you catch yourself in self-judgment or critique, why not turn to the metta phrases? Perhaps they will soften the way you respond, or maybe they will affect your interactions with others. Remember to be patient and kind with yourself. This is a practice that can take time to develop, yet it is such a powerful tool for self-care. Now take a few moments to return to your breath. Simply notice the natural ebb and flow of your inhales and your exhales. And now, slowly bring your attention back into the room. Become aware of your body, and when you're ready, open your eyes. I hope you enjoyed today's session. See you again.